Let's learn about ocean animals. This is a jellyfish. Did you know that jellyfish do not have brain? This is a shark. Did you know that shark can live for 20 to 30 years? This is a crab. Did you know that crabs are omnivores? This is an octopus. Did you know that octopus change color to camouflage themselves? This is a starfish. Did you know that starfish can't survive in fresh water? This is a stingray. Did you know that stingray use their nose to find food? This is a lobster. Did you know that lobsters have really poor eyesight? This is a dolphin. Did you know that dolphins have two stomachs? This is a seahorse. Did you know that seahorses like to swim in pairs with their tails linked together? This is a walrus. Did you know that walrus use long tusks? This is a whale. Did you know that whale can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes? What was your favorite ocean animals? Thank you for watching.